Hi, my name is Reem Al-Houni. I'm the CEO and founder of TI22 Films and Dubai on Demand. And we recently took up this outstanding space here in Al Quoz. And when I was sitting there thinking, who can I ask, who can I call on to help me renovate this space, there was only one person who came to mind, and that was the absolutely fabulous Yolanda from Swissly. The reason is I've known Yolanda a long time. I've known her for over a decade, and she's always had an amazing attention to detail, care for people. She really has passion. She wants to always deliver her absolute best. Everything from understanding my budget limitations, to understanding my time frame, to realizing how important it would be to collaborate with my team, because I really entrust my team with this. And I honestly don't see her as a supplier, I see her as a partner. So I have no words to express my gratitude just to the whole Swissly team, but specifically to Yolanda and Marco for leading this vision and ensuring that it came through to the result we have today.